if you've got a problem, get someone in there who really knows their business. Peterman's the only one I would recommend, based on personal experience. And they're just very knowledgeable people. And I think that's something that not always present in today's world. My name is Mike Stack. I'm an Indianapolis resident for almost 50 years. Luckily, we have some good companies like Peterman that take care of our problems. I've known Pete Peterman since our kids were in school together. Chad and my son Garrett went to school together. They played soccer together, did all the other things. But the neatest thing was when I started HIVAC, it ended all my problems of getting decent service. We had Pete and his crew come in and set up a better system. What we did was got a larger, more efficient unit. We put in ceiling fans and did a lot of things that increased flow, and this really helped a lot. They also put in new controls, which are much more efficient. So you walk out the door in the morning, temperature goes down to 68. Dogs love it. They go lay in their beds and sleep when we're gone, unless someone comes to the door. And then when you get home at night, it goes up a little bit. And again, during the night, it goes back down. So basically, you save a lot of cost in electricity and gas for the heating and air conditioning. Very clever. The Peterman Protection Club I learned about when it first came out. And I think Chad or Tyler actually called us about it. It's 2 seasons. Every season they come, and you set a date. They come and they go over your air conditioning or your heating and also your delivery system. And they completely check it out. Last time they found a lot of nasty stuff inside my system, which they cleaned out very nicely. So that worked out really well. It's convenient because you're going to have someone home at the time they do it. And basically, everything gets covered in one visit. And so there's no emergencies. We've avoided no emergencies ever since. And it's really worth it because once you're part of the plan, you pay hardly anything for the service calls. The plan covers it. And then when what's needed is extra, is fine. So those kind of innovations have saved me a ton of money. And because I just joined the plan, gets everything taken care of. They fix what's necessary to be fixed. And I haven't had no problems at all since they've taken over the thing. And we've had their equipment in the house now for probably 20 years. So we're quite happy. If you're interested in your health, you go see your doctor once or twice a year, depending upon what your needs are. And if you're sick, you go a lot more frequently. However, they've got it set up that your HIVAC system gets its physical twice a year. And that saves you a ton of grief. Prevention is money in your pocket.